1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, welcome to Sri Lanka. No, Bismillah, no?
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, another shot. Okay, you have to say hi.
Hi. My name is Suyani. Hello, welcome to Bismillah.
Good morning.
Breakfast?
How was the sleep?
It's good. No mosquitoes thanks to the net.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the excellent breakfast. I feel like they are our auntie and uncle. Yeah, they're so
And
nice.
I'm this close to be asking Auntie if she does laundry too. I'm like,
So right now we're heading to an excursion. Our driver, the same as yesterday. If you guys just joined the vlog, he's super awesome. He's gonna bring us through all this.
you can back up your seat if you want. I have very short legs.
Okay. And what about your bags?
It's okay.
It's
I have a lot of space.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, sir.
So I did ask her and she is gonna do her laundry.
Did you call her auntie?
Almost. Tomorrow, by tomorrow, okay? Give me some time.
We are in Habarana. It is in central north of Sri Lanka. And for today's excursion, we're heading to two places. First one is Sirigiya, and second one it's Dambulla. I hope I got this correct.
So Sirigiya is I have Wikipedia right here, is the massive column rock of nearly 200-meter high, and the site was selected by King Kasyapa for his new capital. He built his palace on top of it, and there are lots of colorful frescoes on the site, so lovely paintings. And on a small plateau halfway up on the side of the rock, he built a gateway in the form of enormous lions. That's why they call it the Lion Rock, which is Sihagiri in Sinhalese. And then Dambulla, we're going to Dambulla for the cave temples. It's a World Heritage Site, and they're gonna be painting and statues. And they're gonna be like a rock that towers 160 meters over the plains, and there are over 80 caves in that area.
Wow.
So we're looking forward to that as well.
Oh, this is a safari already in your car.
It's like a, yeah.
I saw this on postcard, on other YouTube video, but this time I see it with my own eyes. So we are at the entrance of Sirigiya.
Yeah, we have to go to the ticket counter so we can tell you guys how much it costs. There's a price for tourists and there's a price for locals.
Jade? 2,000 steps.
It's so hot.
I feel so hot.
Beautiful out there.
Yeah. Wow. It's like open wide there and a few big mountains a bit everywhere. It's impressive.
when I try to get Takyo to do any facial care. Look at his face, he looks so bored.
Okay, so we just got off the Sirigiya rock. Now we're finding Tarindu, our driver, and we're heading for lunch. Okay.
That is the restaurant.
Okay.
Look at this beer, and this is the recommendation of our good friend here, Tarindu. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so this is my second dishes, and you have some papadum here that it's so delicious with this. This is called
Dal.
dal?
Yeah.
Dal curry?
Yeah.
Yeah, dal curry. And my favorite vegetable, this is some garlic Cancun, and it's very expensive in Canada. It's delicious, this one. This is some egg coutu with some spicy paste.
Now Billy's full. We're now heading to the cave with the temple in Dambulla. Well, we're already in Dambulla, but it should be very close to here. Let's go.
So hot. It's at least 31 degrees Celsius right now. Jade, this is a safari right here.
This one has like blonde hair. This one is blonde.
Oh wow! This ticket counter looks like prison bars.
So we just got the tickets for the Dambulla Rock Temple. It is a Buddhist temple, which is why we had to cover shoulders and knees, and Takyo is long pants. Don't forget, if you're coming to visit here, the entrance fee is 1,500 rupees per person. Those are the tickets.
Some more stairs. That was just the right thing I needed. Boy, I'm sweating my life right now. There's no need to go to the gym. You okay?
We can skip the gym today.
At least leg days, no more for at least a week. Ooh, the rock is hot. Hot, hot, hot.
That's why there's a carpet.
I'm gonna keep my stinky socks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh, okay, now I understand why there's the carpet right now. Ah, it's hot.
Thank you.
Ooh, ooh, these rocks are hot. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh, the rocks are hot. I know I repeat it so many times, but they are. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Okay, Jade, we have to run to the next shadow.
It's a lying Buddha.
Yeah, carved in the rock.
Yeah, but do you see the roof? We're actually in a cave, so that's just the wall of the mountain as it is, and all the Buddhas are inside. It's just incredible.
Oh, it's hotter. You know what? We should stay there and film all day, you know, dumbass tourists like me who runs everywhere like this.
Not everybody's like you. Okay?
Okay guys, we are back to the car, back to the AC. Super fresh in here. So we're heading to the Golden Temple apparently.
Yeah, apparently you can go down from this temple on the other side if you're just walking. But because we have Tarindu driving us today, he's gonna drive us to the Golden Temple, so we came back the same way we went up.
Ipai rupee.
What?
Ipai rupee. 100 rupee.
That matched my. I got this one because they kind of matched my dress. I didn't want the white one.
Okay, but you know you have to give this for Buddha.
Yeah.
So guys, there's a Buddhist temple here, but as for us, we are kind of temple out for today.
Because it's more like a museum than a temple, so we decided to call it a day. If you like today's vlog, please click on the little thumbs up button and leave us a comment below. Tomorrow we are heading to see some elephant in a natural reserve, and we cannot wait because we're gonna be in a jeep and everything. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow our adventures. Bye guys!
Bye guys!